My name is Sheena Gregg, and I am a registered dietitian in the division, and I have the honor of cooking with the two of you. Do you want to introduce yourself?
I'm Stephen Hood. I am not a registered dietitian, but I am a registered eater of great food, so I'm excited to be here.
You're qualified. Thank you.
That's right, and I'm Jim Barron, and I don't do anything with diets.
We're gonna make 2 dips today. So these are easy peasy. Wanted to make it straightforward, not only for my sous chefs today, but also student friendly too. So gentlemen, the first dip we're going to make is a baked pepper jelly dip. This recipe involves a lot of yummy things. Bacon, which Dr. Hood, you have been staring at. I'll let you hold the bacon. I can
That's
do the
a
bacon.
terrible idea.
Yeah, go dump that in the bowl.
All of it?
We're gonna save a little bit for garnish, so dump most of it, and you can nibble on some
That'll
too.
be garnish.
Yeah. So we've got a little bit of bacon in there.
Is that enough
Perfect.
garnish?
Yes, that's perfect. So Jim has gloves. Dr. Hood, I'm gonna give you some
Okay.
gloves as well. You're gonna shred about a cup's worth of cheese, and if you need a visual, about a cup's worth
Okay.
right here.
You should try these strawberries.
Are they really good? Yes.
This is cheddar cheese.
This is sharp cheddar cheese.
Oh, so I gotta be careful, it could cut me. Who invited Jim, by the way?
I don't know. I think I found that there was free parking.
The next thing that we are also gonna add in is cream cheese as well. I'm gonna hand you a spoon, and then you are going to stick, probably, we'll say about half of the jar will go into that bowl as well. Okay?
It's good.
Half the
Okay.
jar, really?
Yeah, about half the jar, yes. I need you to blend this up for me, sir. Yes. Very nice. That's okay. You okay over there?
I'm good. I was just getting a paper towel.
You get to lick the beater. You do.
Fantastic.
You do. Once you have mixed everything together thoroughly with your hand mixer or your stand mixer, then you're gonna put it in a greased pan. About a quart size is really good. Jim, can I trust you to stick this in the oven?
Yes.
Are you, without burning yourself?
Not a problem.
Yes.
I don't know that Jim can be.
Jim can totally do this.
Jim, that would be the refrigerator.
Right. Right.
The
Okay.
oven is this device right here.
Yes,
here.
we're
I do
headed right
this.
here.
So we're gonna bake this on 350 for about how long?
For about 25 to 30 minutes. Could you open this for me, sir?
Absolutely.
And we are gonna
Then
dump
I
this
can
in the
do
bowl.
this.
Yes.
What are you doing?
Worked out perfect.
I'm just going, I didn't want the white chocolate chips to feel bad.
So put that in the bowl for me, sir.
All at once.
All at once. Jim.
Here, I'll take the
way.
trash.
Oh, thank you, Jim. Yeah, appreciate
So
that.
kind. So
Can I put
kind.
some more gloves on? I probably should.
Yes, we are going to open up some Greek yogurt as well. So we're going to do some vanilla Greek yogurt because, again, I'm a dietitian. We're going to add some protein to this dip. So now we're going to put in some Cool Whip in this.
Like Cool Whip.
Yes, we're going to, I'm actually going to fold in the Cool Whip. You ever fold anything in
I like fold
for recipes?
laundry.
Okay, well,
I do that too.
could you throw that away for me, sir?
can.
I feel like I'm at home right
Am I
now.
the 4 or the 6-year-old?
Yeah.
Oh, you're definitely the 6-year-old.
Well, you gotta change gloves after that. That would not be.
Oh, yeah, because then I
Food
can't
safety
do that.
thing.
Yeah.
All right, Jim.
I'm Jim.
You are on trash duty, sir.
Trash.
Yes.
Right.
Yes. You're about to use the hand mixer again.
Love the hand mixer.
Yes. Okay, I'm gonna have you mix now, sir. But you will have a chance to fold in a minute after Dr. Hood does some mixing.
I'm
so-
mixing now.
You don't want it?
You deserve it, Sheena.
No, I'm okay.
Cheers. That's good.
Okay, boss, what you think?
That's beautiful.
Aw.
I'm so proud of you. Okay, you are gonna grab some handfuls of vanilla wafers and then put them on each side of the cutting board, sir. Know what all they can use to
strawberries.
dip. We gotta add a little color in here. We got a runaway strawberry.
It's all right.
This is our final product for our dessert dip. What do you think, Jim? Give me
That
a
looks
minute.
lovely.
That is fantastic.
I like the
Did
color.
it taste good? Yes. I will.
I mean,
will
it's
taste as well.
it's almost too good to share.
Do
Hey.
you know what that sound is, Jim?
We get to go home?
No, it's time for you to take that out of the oven. I'm gonna have you place it on this cutting board for me, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, y'all, it looks so beautiful.
That looks fabulous.
Okay, so now we need things to dip it with if you didn't already think. How many Fritos do y'all eat? Okay, so
Look at that
all the
deliciousness right there.
things.
That is amazing.
Wow. I can't believe the 3 of us pulled that off.
Well,
Well,
I think maybe it was more one of us.
yeah.
I'm sharing the recipe
Get your
with
vanilla
them.
wafers, get your scoops, get all this deliciousness, make this for yourself.
Get on
It's gonna be
InstaTwit.
fantastic.
Do whatever it is you do.
What did you say?
InstaTwit.
Sorry, Jim.
Linked book, whatever. I don't know what they do. They do all sorts of things. There's an app for that.